Online safety matters everywhere, even inside and outside of FunZone's live stream. While you are participating in the live chat, follow all the rules and treat others with respect. Remember, messages are visible to the public. Think before you send the message. Sending a message without thinking first might result into serious consequences. Online safety doesn't stop there. Stay safe in every website, app, and even platform you are using at all costs. You can use extra security to stay safe online. It can protect you from safety risks. Be careful while interacting with strangers online. Not everyone is who they claim to be. Think before you share anything online. If you share them online, it might be difficult to remove it. If you see or experience cyberbullying, report and block the harmful user. Don't engage with harmful behavior. If you feel something went wrong, consult with a trusted adult or someone you can rely on. Stay safe, stay aware, and enjoy your time inside and outside of live stream. Thank you for watching. The next lesson will be protecting your personal information. It will teach you how to protect your personal information. See you all in there.